Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from sunny Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have one of our best-selling covers we're doing. So before I get into that, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, give us a call. I'll go ahead and put a link of this product at the bottom of this YouTube video. So come on over here, Joel. Let's see what we have here. Well, technically we got two things. We got this Ford F-250 with a 6.9 bed here. And what we did? Well, we got the Revolver X4TS, and we did the Truxedo Elevate system on here. As you can see, it's perfect for a ladder, and that's a really good thing here. So let's go into what it does. Actually, before we do that, Joel, swing around here, take a really good look here. So also, since he spent some money with us, Tugger Team Roofing. Let me plug his business here. So since he was kind enough to give us some business here, let's see if we can do the same for him. So if you need any roofing, okay. So you can see how this, what's nice about the Revolver here is the T-slot is built into the rail, and I like that a lot. It looks good, but I consider it a little stronger here. The cover itself has a 400-pound capacity and has a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, if we install it for you like we did with this customer, that warranty gets doubled to 10 years. So that's got a very good warranty here. I like this being a nice low profile, looks really clean. Now, if he goes up to a work site and the people see how nice and organized he is, they're gonna say, damn, this guy does a great work. All right, let's go in here and show you how it all works here. Now, it does have a left and right release mechanism. If you're on the driver's side or passenger side, you can release that. Why is that good? Well, the benefit of that is real simple. If you are on the highway, you pull off to the side of the road and you got all the traffic on the driver's side and you have to open your cover for whatever reason, it's a little safer to be on the passenger side. So another nice feature. Also, let's take a good look here. This big fat thing here is the seal, which is going to sit right on this. Now, this is going to compress very nicely against the tailgate. It's going to help keep the water out. Now, it's not a watertight setup. No cover. Listen to me real quick. No cover is waterproof. They're water resistant, they're weather resistant, but they're not waterproof. So keep that in mind. Again, this rolls up really nice. Now, what's a great feature about this, besides being so easy to use, because you roll it all the way up here, you'll notice you have full access to the bed. Again, this is a work truck. He's using it for roofing. You know, he wants to have full access to the bed. This lets you do it. Again, you can reach in or grab stuff because a lot of folding covers stop here. This one goes all the way up here. And you can drive. There's a strap right here. This comes around here. Basically just locks it in place and keeps it from moving. Also, if you look over here, you see this little rubber seal here. This here keeps your hands nice and comfortable here. So it's really easy to do. So again, now this is again the Truxedo Elevate system here. Let me swing around here. And I want to show you something real quick. This is adjustable. So you have a lower setting, you got medium setting, you got a high setting. So as you can see, because of the height of his cab, we have this at the higher setting here. So, but if you want to, he could lower. If you look at my truck over there, you'll see that has the lower setting there. So that is a nice feature. Now, everything that's on my personal truck, excuse the moving furniture here, all this stuff here, I can put on this truck. Once you have a T-slot, you can do that. Now, a nice thing about this T-slot, it does go all the way to the front of the window. Not all of them do that, by the way. So you get a little extra room there, so I like that a lot. All in all, this is a great product here. Let's go ahead and roll this out here. Now, this is a fairly long bed, but as you can see, opens and closes really darn easy. Not much to it. Super design. Great product. We've been selling a lot of these. Now, you can come here, let us install it for you. We'll double the warranty if we do that. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, that is not a problem. We ship all over the country. We ship to Hawaii. We ship to California, Texas, New York, New Jersey, Puerto Rico. We got you covered. We even ship some stuff to Canada, so that's really good. And if you get it and you have questions on the installation, Joel, who's one of our master techs, can always answer your questions. We also have Buddy or myself. We can answer any questions you might have when it comes to installing the cover. Again, this is one of my favorite covers, and the sales prove that everyone else agrees with me. And again, this is a review of the Revolver X4TS on a Ford Super Duty F-250 6.5, 6.9 bed. And before I forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.